Okay, I think we're back here. All right, so we've got like a short little time here to pick up where we left off, which to remind you was working on our little app here and getting the actual like flow of using this thing working, so that you can fully add in the your workout, and we track it as a real kind of track it all together, and then just output all that, dump that information to a screen at the end. So we will do that. All right. Okay. So I think there's a couple things we can try to do first here. One is actually fix the database schema to add some stuff that we needed, which was timestamp and information to like nest an actual workout. So we would need like a workout and then a set and then the actual exercise in that set. So that's a couple things. The probably hardest one is going to be figuring out how to create this timestamp here. You just have to go figure out the syntax for that. It's probably ChatGPT-able. Yeah, so that's probably what we can do in like 20 minutes here, and then the rest of it is all this stuff actually piping out that information to something final. So let's do that. We will turn like we will turn the set into a state variable of sorry, that's my rabbit. Of the index here. This defaults to 1, right? We will output that here, so set I think I have to spell it correctly to get it to work. Good. And then we will do this. So we have to create the table here. So we'll put like a workout ID. It's fine. Then set num. Okay. So then we need to this is not so no, let's pour some tea. So my assumption is that this key thing is like generating a new unique value every time you make an entry in the table. For that primary key at least. The problem is I want the workout to be special. So how would I do that? So there's probably some way through like a SQL query to figure out highest or the next number ID incrementing workout ID from what's in the table already. I don't know if we can do that. But we should create it, like, upon creating this screen for right now, we'll try to do that. So I think we're going to need a variable for that. Okay. Well, let's just leave it as 0 for now. That's fine. True key, not null. So we don't want it to be a key, I think. So we want lookout ID set num. Oh, num set. Ha ha ha. See, this is a problem here. Set num set. I don't like that. I think I just fucked that up too. Shit. Okay, that's all good. See, this is where I effed up here. Set. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's just undo that. Okay. Set num set. So dumb. That was embarrassing. Okay. Alright. Table lift has no column workout ID. So, yeah, I think I have to like totally reload this app now because I changed the schema. That sucks. That sucks, unfortunately. I gotta figure out how to do a macro where I don't have to do all these like case specific things, because that kind of busts my balls. Oops. Okay, should be all good. All right, so unfortunately now we have to redeploy here, which kind of blows. Gotta uninstall, because I think that's the only way we can kill the database, maybe, or kill the table. There's probably some better way. Oh, I forgot to add the timestamp. Shit. Let's do that before we deploy this. So I want SQLite, the SQLite doc. Data types. So how do you store? Okay. So let's date time. So we actually don't even need to pass this in from the TypeScript layer. We can just do this in our SQL script directly, which would be pretty good. Let's see. What to do? Let's try date time. Oh god, I gotta do all this shit again. Why did I do it like that? Alright, date. Is it like that? No. Oh god, I think it's gonna be time for me very soon to visit the revisit VimTutor. Learn how to macro. Okay. Oh no! Oh, balls. Fuck. That's the wrong spot. There we go. Let's try that now. What is this? Oh, Play Store. Why does it put it there? I just don't know. Go off. Let's see it. Yeah, I know. Go away. Shit. No such table lifts. Why? Shouldn't... crap. I think I have to come up with some more complicated state here, unfortunately. Shit. Because we're not hitting this case correctly. We're right here where I create the table if it doesn't exist, or set the journal mode. Ah, shit. All right. How should I do that? Look, because my assumption was like this would happen. Then, if it did here, All right, ChatGPT. So if datab so should I try that then, I guess, use that handle. Well, let's see. Oh, look at that. And let's restart the app. No. And we'll make sure it's the same handle, right? Ah, there we go. Look at that. Sick. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Ah, we're badass. Now, it didn't log out all of the fields because I didn't tell it to, obviously. ID. Row dot date time. Row dot set. Row dot load. Okay. I should figure out how to turn that into a data type. Oh, look at that. Oh, sweet. That's sick. All right. And then we just have to be incrementing the numset. So we will set numset on this here. So set numset numset +1. Aha! Ho ho ho. So we do that. Bingo! Alright, sweet. So that's good. And I think that'll be all for today. Added full schema and set. Alright, that was pretty good progress in a pretty short amount of time. We got like that part of it working. So we did that. And we did those convincingly enough. Sweet. So now the next thing, I guess next time, we'll be working on, or maybe I'll do this later today. I will actually, I did this too. We want to set timer. We want to change to a different screen when you have different behavior when you're done with all the sets. Yeah. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty sweet. Thank you for watching. That will be all for today. This thing is coming along. Not ready for my workout today, I think. Not quite, but we're getting there. Actually, probably is ready. I have to actually go build it and deploy it to iOS though, so that might take a little bit. But doing good. I would be very surprised if doing the Expo Go deployment, it created a persistent SQLite database on my real device storage. I have a feeling that would get blown away. I have a feeling that will not work for some reason. But we can I'll test some of that stuff out. But that's it. Thank you for